can actually just pry these clips off. It's not the easiest to get them off, but this is what they look like. Get yourself some M10 by 125 or some M7 nuts along with some washers, so it'll sit like this. Obviously this is not a washer, but if you could find a washer that looks like this, you wouldn't need 2 sets. You could just run it like that. The reason you're able to do this is because these clips sit on a threaded stud that is the same thread pitch as the M7 nut. The locations for these is one up here in the front, right behind the front wheel, one right out here to the side, and one out to the side on the rear. There's 3 in each side, left and right. Do all 6 of them, and you won't have that rattle anymore. These are the clips you had before. They're junk. Just get them out of here.